In this tutorial, you will learn how to answer phone calls automatically. But before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. iOS can now automatically pick up the phone call for you once the phone rings for a set amount of time. To enable this feature, go to Settings, General, Accessibility, Call Audio Routing, and tap Auto Answer Calls. Turn the feature on and choose an amount of time you want the phone to ring before the auto answer commences. Now all you have to do is wait for a call to come in and the phone will answer it automatically. To disable this feature, just turn the switch off next to auto answer calls. This feature works with cellular calls, FaceTime calls, and other third-party apps, such as Skype. Do you often have hands busy when trying to answer a call?